Hello, guys. Welcome to our session today. I just want to first introduce myself. My name is Erdan. I've been doing Qigong for now many years, starting to teach Qigong back in 2017. Been teaching Qigong in different hospitals, such as here in New York City, like Woodhull Hospital, Harlem Hospital, as well as nursing homes. But we are doing classes, a lot of classes, in fact, with our groups, which is now since 2017, we've done about 1,000 classes with this group alone. And then there's a few other groups that I'm teaching with, and done quite a few workshops, going different places here in the United States, including in Europe as well. So yeah, this is my passion. I love doing this. I love sharing this knowledge to other people and making them feel better. In fact, a lot of people come to our classes feeling very rejuvenated, feeling good afterwards. And you can see that down below, you're going to see the email address. I can just say it actually, but there's going to be an email address, which is qihealsyou@gmail.com. Qi is spelled with Q-I, healsyou.com. Now, this is also, I just like to mention that I also do the healings, private healings, and all these other things related to energy healing. So thank you for this, for listening to this. I would be very happy to connect with you. If you have any issues that you would like to discuss, I would be here for you. It would be my pleasure. Thank you.